Come test drive the 2016 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Taking candy from a baby is easy in theory, but you should really think twice about trying it.
Luckily, buying a car is easier than ever at Nissan of Athens, Georgia's fastest growing Nissan,
where you'll find our #1 rated customer service and bottom line prices on an incredible lineup of new Nissans and a variety of pre-owned vehicles. Every deal backed by our promise to give you an honest quote and the best customer service possible. Plus, if Nissan of Athens doesn't have the vehicle you want in stock, we'll find it and deliver it right to your door.
There are easy ways to satisfy your changing credit. No easy way to buy a car than shopping at Nissan of Athens.